How are you sick? How are you sick in a way? Do you have a cough? What's wrong?
Ammonia.
Ammonia. You got all those things?
Yes.
Wow.
I got TB on my lung. Oh.
What do we got to do? Give you money?
Please give me money. I don't live any longer. Tomorrow.
You're not going to live any longer?
Anything longer tomorrow.
Oh, man.
Money. I need.
Do you take Visa?
Take Visa? Yes. I accept that. Yes. Visa. Mastercard. Oh, yes. No. I cannot look at the camera. It's bright to my eyes too. So close.
I think you'll be all right.
You think so?
Maybe if we take some donations around, and maybe it'll cheer you up.
Donation. I need money. You go to the church for compassion, to share love.
For
with
compassion,
the,
huh?
Yeah, share love with the other. Why now I need money? You don't give it to me. Why? You think that's something wrong? What's wrong? In your mind. Your mind wrong? You did wrong. Make you do wrong. You know that? Okay.
So that'd be 5 or 20s. You want that in 5 or 20s?
Come on, let me see.